Did you know that algebra can increase your problem-solving skills, not just in math, but in real-life situations too? Think of algebra as a secret weapon that stretches far beyond the classroom walls. It's not just for mathematicians or engineers. Chefs use algebra to adjust recipes, marketers analyze trends, and even your daily budgeting involves some algebraic thinking. It's woven into the fabric of numerous professions and everyday choices. So if you think algebra is just X's and Y's, think again. All right, dive right into the core of algebra: expressions. Think of algebraic expressions as sentences in the language of mathematics. They communicate ideas using numbers, variables, and operators like plus or minus. Let's start with a simple example: 2x plus 5. Here, x is what we call a variable. It can represent any number. The number 2 is the coefficient, showing how many times x is multiplied. And 5, that's a constant, a specific number added to our variable. In every algebraic expression, these elements dance together to form a meaningful equation. Variables are the unknowns we aim to find. Coefficients steer the magnitude of these variables. And constants, well, they remain constant, anchoring our expressions with fixed values. Understanding the interplay of these components is crucial. They're not just random numbers and letters thrown together, but a structured form of mathematical poetry. Remember, every expression tells a story, and you're the translator. Now, let's unlock the mystery of solving equations. An equation, in its simplest form, is like a cosmic balance scale. On one side, you have one expression, and on the other, another. The goal? To make both sides equal, demonstrating the heart of algebra's power and elegance. Imagine we're faced with the equation x plus 5 equals 12. Here's how we solve it. First, we aim to isolate x. To do this, we perform what's known as an inverse operation. Since 5 is being added to x, we'll subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. This keeps our cosmic scale balanced. On the left, 5 minus 5 becomes 0, leaving us with x on one side. On the right, 12 minus 5 gives us 7, so x equals 7. Magic, isn't it? But why stop there? Let's dive a bit deeper into this balancing act. Every step in solving equations is about maintaining equality. If you multiply one side, you multiply the other. If you divide one side, you divide the other. It's all about keeping that scale in perfect harmony. Through these methods, equations unfold their secrets to us. They are not just mathematical expressions, but bridges to understanding more complex problems. Every time you perform an operation to solve an equation, you're not just moving numbers around. You're maintaining the universal law of balance. With these tools, you're well on your way to mastering equations. Ever wonder where you use algebra in the real world? Let's dive into the practical applications of algebra that touch technology, science, and finance. In the sphere of technology, algebra forms the backbone of coding. Whether you're developing a simple app or working on complex algorithms, algebra helps in structuring logic and data processes efficiently. Moving over to science, algebra is indispensable. For instance, in chemistry, it helps in balancing chemical equations, a fundamental step in understanding chemical reactions and compositions. Physicists use algebra to calculate velocities, accelerations, and other aspects of motion, making it crucial for innovations in fields like aerospace. In the world of finance, algebra is your silent partner in budgeting and financial forecasting. It helps in calculating interest rates, understanding loan amortization schedules, and predicting future financial scenarios, facilitating smarter investment and saving decisions. So, whether it's planning your finances, coding the next big tech, or solving complex scientific equations, algebra isn't just theoretical. It's a practical ally in solving everyday challenges. Quick recap of our algebra journey today. We kicked off by uncovering the unexpected power of algebra, showing how it's not just about numbers, it's about understanding the world. Next, we broke down algebraic expressions, making them less daunting by simplifying and identifying their components. You saw how each part of an expression plays a crucial role, just like ingredients in a New York-style pizza. Then, we dove into the magic of solving equations. It's like finding the missing piece of a puzzle, right? By balancing both sides, we discovered solutions that can apply to various scenarios, proving that algebra is as versatile as a Swiss Army knife. We also explored real-world applications, connecting algebra to everything from technology to finance. Seeing algebra in action around us truly demonstrates its value and omnipresence in our lives. Now take these concepts, practice them, The more you do, the better you'll get. Keep practicing and remember, algebra opens doors to solving complex problems. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights like this. Rock on with algebra.